Greetings, my name is Eric Lang, and this is the latest installment on my YouTube channel, Author Eric Lang. And these weekly installments are around the project management concept of people-centric project management phenomena. These are taken from my book, Engagement, Focus, and Tension in Project Management, where approximately 80 of these people-centric project management phenomena are shared. They are commonly understood once they're seen, but for some reason, they are not intuitively understood as a common concept and certainly not incorporated into most project managers' day-to-day efforts. So an awareness of people-centric project management phenomena dramatically improves project velocity and quality. These are ways of dealing with the artifacts of human psychology that are repeating within the project management space, sometimes comically so. Today, we're going to talk about a people-centered project management phenomena called going full kamikaze, which is the tension hammer. And you'll see this in project management, either with personality types that are very heavy-handed in their engagement with contributors, or with project managers who are quite frustrated with progress being not up to their expectations. And they will go from being mentors and people who provide guidance and support and polite professional engagement, and they will just go full on into are you done yet? Are you done yet? Are you done yet? And sometimes this is institutionalized in the organization where you have governing software tools that are watching every single move, and there's a constant review of every minuscule aspect of the project for progress. Full kamikaze is just a different way of applying tension, and tension is a useful tool in the project management space, hence its use in the title of the book. And we want to constructively engage with contributors and leadership in moving a project forward. What we don't want to do is amplify that to a full-on stress event, because there can be unintended consequences and ultimately productivity drops. So it is a short-term way to raise tension very quickly and to a high level to try to generate focus on a particular aspect of the project. The problem with that is full kamikaze is very addictive. And once you just start hitting everything with the tension hammer, it's kind of like the concept in project management. If everything is critical, then nothing is. Well, if everything in a project is something that you just hit with the tension hammer, then there's no lesser version of tension. Everything is just a full-on screaming alert, and people become desensitized to it after a while. I think it's hard on the people who use it as well, because at that point, it's kind of like that concept is when you have a hammer, everything looks like a nail. And in this case, everything looks like it needs to just be used to have just the hammer applied to the situation. And full kamikaze becomes that hammer, that one tool that's used to keep a project moving forward. Like all people-centered project management phenomena, awareness is key. And once you have seen them, you cannot unsee them. These are repeating phenomena, which means you'll see them in every project. I recently did an experiment on LinkedIn where I would do searches for project management, and then I would see if the people-centered project management phenomena in the book would be applicable to whatever was being under discussion in the LinkedIn postings. And almost universally, the phenomena were applicable, and I could pick names like going full kamikaze out of the book and apply it to what was under discussion in LinkedIn. So that was kind of a justification that the book's validity and that these people-centric project management phenomena are very real. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. Again, there's almost 80 of them, and then there's some tangential topics related to that. We'll do this again next week, and have a great day.